Good morning, everybody. I hope you're ready for another walk. So we've already learned the kidney walk, we've done the stork walk, and this is the catwalk. With the Patreon platform, I am able to bring to you Qigong classes live, or you can do your practice using the recorded version. There's Tiandi, Shubashu, and Mawang Doi. I want you to just visualize a cat about to catch a mouse. So just watch what this cat's going to do. It's going to bend the knees ever so slightly. He can't make a noise, not the slightest bit of noise. And the foot comes up onto the toe and it moves forward. It goes heel down to the foot, rocking forward, rocking back, and 45 degrees. Because at the moment I'm sitting back on my left, this foot is completely loose. So it's a case of exchanging energy each time. Full weight goes onto the right leg. And it's a very slow, controlled walk. If you're feeling unsteady, you can rest your toe here. Otherwise, you just bring the foot through in an arc. Heel, toe, rocking forward, rocking back, 45 degrees. And at no time are the legs straight. The legs are always bent. This is the cat. And the slower you can do it, the better it is for the fat burning. So, what other side effects does this fabulous exercise have? For anyone with Parkinson's, this has been proven in the States. In Oregon, they are using this exercise to rehabilitate. When I say rehabilitate, I mean rehabilitate Parkinson's patients. Full weight. Remember, if I go any faster than that, I'm not going to be able to catch that mouse. Front foot is straight, rocking forward. When you're comfortable, you can actually just rest your hands on your back. This is almost like a meditation. It builds strong muscles, strong tendons, and it's certainly for anyone over the age of 45, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, who's having problems with balance. It stops and reduces any falling. How easy is that? So this last one I'm going to do it really slowly so you can see. The slower you do it, the more beneficial it is. 45-degree shift. Straight foot. Can you believe that with such a short little walk, my cardiovascular is up? So can you imagine when you do half an hour's walk, sometimes they call that the Tai Chi walk, but it is like a cat prowling, waiting to pounce and catch a mouse. I challenge you to catch that mouse. So if you like that little easy exercise, I hope you're going to do it at home. Please click the like button. And for more of these, just subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you would like some Qigong DVDs to practice in the comfort of your home, just pop on my website and go into the shop. Have a fabulous day.